Hello, my name is Lauren Schneider, and I am a PhD candidate in the Department of Linguistics, supervised by Donna Gertz. Today, I will be talking to you about my thesis project on verbs in Hul'q'umi'num Salish. As a linguist, I work alongside Hul'q'umi'num community members to document and analyze elders' speech and legacy materials so that we can come to understand the structure of the language. One of my research objectives is the in-depth study of aspects of Hul'q'umi'num that differ significantly from those of English. One of the reasons for this is that the responsibility of carrying on the language is shifting to a generation who, largely due to the effects of the residential school system, did not grow up speaking Hul'q'umi'num as their first language. But mastering authentic Hul'q'umi'num is a daunting task because it is very different from English in terms of sounds and structure. For these English speakers who are now trying to reclaim their heritage language, constructions that are very different from English can be harder to acquire. By researching and analyzing these structures, I hope to both contribute to the field of linguistics, but also generate resources that these language learners can refer to. One of these aspects of Hul'q'umi'num that differs significantly from English is multi-verb constructions. In a nutshell, this is when a language allows two or more verbs to occur in series, one right after the other. I'm going to illustrate how the two languages package their information differently. So in English, if I wanted to describe what this person is doing, I would say something like, the person ran up the hill, or the person is running uphill. So the event has two components, the act of running, and that they are changing location from the bottom of the hill to the top. In English, the first component is expressed by the verb run, and the second component is expressed by either a prepositional phrase, up the hill, or an adverb, uphill. English has a lot of prepositions as well as a large inventory of adverbs. In contrast, Hul'q'umi'num has only one preposition and just a handful of adverbs. Instead of using many different prepositions and adverbs, Hul'q'umi'num uses its verbs to express these types of meanings. To describe what this person is doing, a speaker of Hul'q'umi'num would also use a verb meaning run. But for the second component, the runner's change of location, they would use a second verb, one that means go uphill. So our resulting construction is two verbs, run plus go uphill. So that's a snapshot of how we can bridge the gap between English and Hul'q'umi'num. We start with the familiar and compare it to the new and different. As linguists, we are interested in the diversity of human languages. Of the approximately 7,000 documented languages, nearly half are considered endangered. Each language contributes a piece of the puzzle of how human beings conceptualize and describe the world around them. Through my work, I learn about how to see the world from a Salish perspective and seek to understand how they conceptualize and express complex events while moving around the Coast Salish world. Thank you.